Alright everybody, I'm back with the truck roam series, back in I-10 with y'all, and as you can see right now, traffic is going slow, but the good thing is, this was like this when I came here, but they're going slower than they usually do in my last video. So, and if I do see the cops and they look like they're gonna pull over, I got a mini bike this time, so I might be able to dip. So here is the Freightliner, or three Freightliners actually. 3 Freightliners. Come on, honk your horn, honk your horn! Oh my god, bro. None of them honk the horn. Alright, what about this Freightliner? Alright, that's a straight product. Alright, so we got an International, a Freightliner, and another Freightliner. That big truck's covering that white truck though. Ah, shit. Didn't know that was there. Didn't know I was gonna run into that. But anyway, here is a International, a Freightliner, and another Freightliner. Oh, we got two. We got one. We got one truck in the honk the horn. Are you gonna do it? We got that person. Motherfucker. Alright, we got that one. But this motherfucker was mocking me just now. And I really fucking dislike people who do that. I just really dislike people who do that. Alright, here comes a Freightliner and a Kenworth. Kenworth. Alright, he's not even paying attention. Got another semi-truck behind that Kenworth. Couldn't tell what the fuck that was. See? There's that truck behind the other one. And a self-driving Peterbilt. Alright. And we got a Peterbilt. A good Peterbilt. So we're gonna get him to honk this horn, hopefully. Alright, International. And there is a fucking trooper. Holy shit. See? Alright, we got a Freightliner Peterbilt. Oh, fuck. That one dumbass trailer is covering that Peterbilt. Whatever the fuck that truck is. It's a Freightliner you need it. Oh wait, no, that's a Volvo. Got 2. Alright, Volvo. Come on, honk your fucking horn. Oh, we got a fucking yellow-ass truck over there. We gotta get him to honk his horn, especially. That is actually the horn. Alright. We're going slower again. Alright, Volvo. Alright. Got a little Peterbilt. Dude. Oh my god, bro. Go! Go! Yo! My fucking God, bro. Look like they're about to stop. Got a Freightliner. Do it, motherfucker. Alright. Or no, Volvo and a Freightliner. Got a Volvo and someone's car. Slow down, go! Go, motherfucker! Sorry for the excessive cursing, I'm just trying to get people to go so that cops don't get suspicious of what's going on over here. Because then he's gonna come over here, he's gonna see me doing all this stuff, and then he's gonna ask me questions. So that guy did it, and the Volvo, the Freightliner. We got so many people honking their horns. Alright, we got a Kenworth. Come on, Kenworth! No! No! Ah, whatever, we got the, another Kenworth. Ooh! Do it! Alright, that's a straight one. Yeah, that's a truck. That's a truck that's making that noise. Holy shit, it's throwing a bowl from underneath that. Holy shit, look at this. This my truck smoking. Alright, the Freightliner. Hey, he honked his horn. Oh wait, no, that's a Freightliner Classic. You gotta get him to honk his horn. Bro, these types of people never honk their horn. Yes! Alright, Volvo. Alright, we got more trucks coming up on the interstate. First, we got a Kenworth. We're gonna get him to honk his horn. Come on, Freightliner. Come on, Freightliner, you can do it. Like I said, these types of people never honk their goddamn horn. You look huge in that truck. If you don't honk your horn, you have no soul. Oh, look at this truck. I don't know what type of truck that is. Oh, with the 4-pitch. Come on, honk your horn. Yes! Yes, we finally got one! Yes! Alright, Mac. He isn't even paying attention. Alright, I'm in a better mood now. Come on, honk your horn, honk your horn! Ah! No! Alright. Alright, Freightliner then. Good job. You must think I'm hitchhiking. Yeah, I'm good. I'm just trying to get truckers to honk the horn. Always get a lot. It's like, this is like the second time somebody thought I was trying to hitchhike. Alright, I might leave pretty soon. I actually got a 4-pitch to honk his horn. I'm so happy now. One that's rolling coal. That is a Volvo. I didn't know Volvos can roll coal like that. That's good, but not you, car. I'm getting a lot of cars honking the horn. Alright, one for the Freightliner. We got a Peterbilt in the horizon, I think. I think that's a Peterbilt. That's a truck. Get an F-350 behind that Volvo. I can't believe that is actually the horn. See another one of these niggas. Another one of these niggas who fucking mock me, bro. But that's fine. I don't care about that. For now, let's focus on these trucks. So we got a Peterbilt. Yes. My spirit has been raised again by this Peterbilt. That is now blocked by a Freightliner. That was a woman driving the truck, and she actually honked the horn. Another 4-pitch. We got another one. Oh, we got another Peterbilt coming up. Finally got a train horn. Alright, I think that's a Freightliner. We're gonna get a few more trucks in and I'm out. So I'm supposed to go home. There we go. Got an extra car. out of here. I'm out of here after this. Dude's cracking up right now. I don't know why. That is a truck horn, I swear to God. Oh, we got this one. We got that truck right there. Alright guys. XXX on Tassion out.